Here's a little something that often gets forgotten when fitting a new caliper with a self-adjusting built-in handbrake. It's vital to wind the piston out from its fully retracted position, which is how it comes from the factory, if the pads in the car aren't brand new. The idea being that when the caliper goes on, there's only a tiny amount of play. You can see here there's very little play. I'm actually just going to put another very slight twist on that one, because the less play there is, the less likely it is to damage the mechanism. The brake refurbishing companies say that the highest number of warranty claims come from people not winding the piston out and then destroying the self-adjuster when they fit the caliper and let the self-adjuster do all the work. So here's the old caliper, and you can see how far out the piston is. So I've got close to matching that. The other thing to make sure is that the little divot here for the pin that's on the back of the brake pad has to be lined up basically like this at 90 degrees to the forward and backward position. So looking left and right like that. We need to have one absolutely up and down at the bottom here to go over the pin in the brake pad. Not all brake pads have pins from not all manufacturers, but the ones that do, this is vital so that the pin goes into that slot. I have seen them where the pin has been resting on this tab, and therefore obviously the brake pad wears at a really strange angle.